A triple murder suspect in Orange County could face the death penalty. State Attorney Monique Worrell says her office will pursue the punishment against 19-year-old Keith Moses. He's accused of shooting and killing a woman, a 9-year-old girl, and an Orlando journalist in the Pine Hills neighborhood in February. West 2's Tonight Gabrigadis is live outside the state attorney's office tonight with reaction from their family's lawyers. Tonight, the death penalty notice was just filed today.
Yes, it was. The state attorney says a capital case review panel in her office carefully looked through all the evidence. Some things that were considered include the suspect's age, the number of victims, as well as their ages. And ultimately, prosecutors decided a death penalty against Keith Moses would equal justice.
Each one of these murders was a senseless, unexplainable death.
The 19-year-old suspect behind the deadly Pine Hills shooting spree that killed 3 people will have to face the death penalty. Keith Moses is accused of killing Natasha Augustin, Orlando reporter Dylan Lyons, and 9-year-old Tiana Major back in February. State Attorney Monique Worrell says her office will pursue capital punishment in the case.
Horrifically ended up with 3 deaths. It could have been 5.
2 other people survived the shooting. Attorney Mark Nijame represents the victims' families, who he says were informed about the state attorney's decision before it was made public Friday.
The families are all gratified. It doesn't do anything to bring their loved ones back, but they believe it's the appropriate punishment in light of the severity of these offenses.
In a letter, Monique Worrell said she is personally opposed to the death penalty, but said she's obligated to follow the law. She also said they will not be manipulated by political pressure, saying in part, quote, a number of politicians, including Florida Senator Rick Scott, gave their opinions and made demands for the death penalty in this case without having any facts. Attorney Nijame stands with her.
Why are they not addressing the issues as to why young people get firearms and are killing people? Why did this young man have a firearm? And why are we having so many senseless murders taking place?
Nijame expects the defense team to use the suspect's young age as an argument.
There's issues about an undeveloped mind at 19 years old and recognizing the consequences of your actions. But he is an adult. He clearly killed 3 people.
We did reach out to Senator Rick Scott's office for comment, but we haven't heard back yet. The governor recently signed a bill that would make imposing death penalties in Florida easier because it would no longer require a unanimous verdict. In her letter, State Attorney Monique Worrell said Florida leads the nation in death row exonerations and said that is why she did not want to rush judgment in the Pine Hill shooting case. Reporting live in Orange County, Tonight Gabrigadis, West 2 News.